QLQ is located in Huadu District, Guangzhou, China. Slider Mold Workshop. Our team has more than 25 years of experience in manufacturing zipper and slider molds. The mold tolerance is controlled within 0.02 millimeters, and each set of mold will be tested at least 500 times before delivery so customers can produce the slider while receiving molds. Die casting workshop. We have fully automatic die casting system from zinc melting, feeding, die casting to guarantee steady quality and quantity. We can make various sliders with standard or fancy puller, barrel painting, hand painting, barrel plating, rack plating can be done according to customers' demands. Nylon long chain zipper workshop. There are more than 180 needle loom machines, 200 coil forming and sewing machines, 80 dyeing machines, and 13 ironing machines. With such a large scale, our capacity is as high as 1 million meters per day, with different sizes and colors. Metal long chain zipper workshop. We have all metal zipper manufacturing machines, including various teeth stamping machines, polishing machines, plating machines, and lacquer machines. Plastic long chain zipper workshop. Normal plastic zippers, shiny film sealed zippers, lacquered zippers with fancy teeth all can be made. We also have production lines to make nylon, metal, plastic, invisible finished zippers. All zippers and sliders' physical performance will be tested before delivery. Our big warehouse assures a timely delivery. You are welcome to visit our 3D showroom to send inquiry to us anytime.
QLQ is the integrated solution supply of zipper factories.
Mould is the core. Without high-quality mold, cannot make zipper and slider work. QLQ's mold core is without line. Mold is a brand.
QLQ means quality, lower cost, and quickly.